I'm Ryan.
And I'm Brendan, and we are Panic at the Disco.
How do you think you managed to strike a chord with a certain type of audience?
Have you seen his face?
Is that all it takes these days?
In some cases.
Ryan, you said that you were concerned that Brendan was perhaps too good looking.
Look at him.
I mean, I look at Ryan and I think that he's a golden god, but he obviously doesn't think of himself that way. He's humble.
Lastly, it's a question I ask everyone. You're going to make a sex tape with a celebrity. Who's it going to be?
Ryan Ross.
Ryan. Care to reciprocate?
I can't even.
I don't think I've ever kissed Ryan. That's never happened. We have impersonators online that do that. We've been close. Yeah, we've gotten close, but...
That was Chameleon there with Rydon.
Okay.
We actually got to go into our own beds, separate beds each night, and actually get some good sleep. So
We didn't sleep in the same bed last time.
No. Yeah, but our own respective bedrooms. Sorry.
Maybe you were with...
Yeah, maybe that's why all these rumors get started, because I open my mouth, my stop mouth, and I don't realize I'm saying this, and then it turns into like this crazy. Anyways, that's... Yeah, leave this in.
There's a lot of rumors.
There's a real large amount.
I love the ones that are like dead set on us dating. Like they are,
Yeah.
and they're just lying to everyone.
Yeah. The Ryan, Brendan...
Yeah, which is obviously completely
sex
true.
tape. Well, yeah.
You know.
Yeah, well, why wouldn't it be?
They threw your picture up, Brendon, and they said that you were a virgin. Now, was that just to get people riled up, or was this...
Not anymore.
Oh, wow.
All your stats were out there for everyone to know about.
I think everyone's stats on that thing were pretty much 100%.
Yeah. Except his.
1, 2, 3, 4!
He's been playing it ever since. He will not stop, and I will not let him stop. On the bus, in the bathroom, wherever. Shower, my shower. That's not true. Just kidding.
Some people think of placebo because they wear makeup that they are gay. Are you gay?
They are gay. That's probably the dumbest thing I've ever heard in my life.
Now I'm of consenting age to be forgetting you in a...
I'm single, so I'm going to be looking out. And I'm looking for dudes included. Guys are included. Get too far. Anyway, the song's dedicated to all of you. That's all I said.
It was and you know, I love Ryan as well. So.
Alright.
You guys have been awesome tonight, I have to say. And I don't think I've said these words in a long time, but I love you. And if you were all of age, I would do nasty, nasty things to you. He's just kidding. Sorry, I have a very dry sense of humor. He's not nice. Brendon Gary, ladies and gentlemen.
It's just so attractive. I can't, like...
You can't deal with it.
I can't shut my eyes.
You're just so cute.
Yeah.
If love is not enough to put my enemies to sleep, then I'm putting out the lantern, find your own way back.